Have you ever wondered what would happen if AI became so advanced it could practically replace software engineers? Well, buckle up, because that day might be closer than you think. Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel where we dive deep into the cutting edge of artificial intelligence. Today, we're exploring a bombshell announcement that sent shockwaves through the tech world: Anthropic's release of Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Now, you might be thinking, another AI model? What's the big deal? But trust me, this isn't just any update. Claude 3.5 Sonnet is redefining what we thought was possible in the realm of artificial intelligence. Let's break down why this release is such a game changer. First off, let's talk speed and smarts. Claude 3.5 Sonnet is operating at twice the speed of its predecessor, Claude 3 Opus. This isn't just a minor upgrade, we're talking about a quantum leap in processing power. Imagine having a brilliant assistant who can not only keep up with your thoughts, but actually anticipate them. But it's not just faster, it's smarter too. We're talking about a model that's acing graduate-level reasoning tests, demonstrating undergraduate-level knowledge across a wide range of subjects, and absolutely crushing it when it comes to coding proficiency. On the GPQA test, Claude 3.5 Sonnet is showing reasoning capabilities that rival those of advanced degree holders. When it comes to the MMLU benchmark, it's demonstrating a breadth of understanding that would make any polymath proud. But here's where it gets really interesting. In Anthropic's internal tests, Claude 3.5 Sonnet solved 64% of complex coding problems, compared to just 38% for Claude 3 Opus. We're entering a world where AI can not only write code, but debug, refactor, and even translate between programming languages with ease. Are you starting to see why software developers might be sweating a little? But it's not just about raw coding ability. Claude 3.5 Sonnet is showing remarkable improvements in understanding nuance, humor, and complex instructions. It's like talking to a brilliant colleague who not only gets the job done, but also picks up on all the subtle cues in your conversation. This level of natural language understanding is what sets Claude 3.5 Sonnet apart from many of its competitors. It's not just about processing keywords, it's about truly comprehending the intent and context behind human communication. And let's not forget about its visual capabilities. This model is setting new benchmarks in interpreting charts, graphs, and even imperfect images. Imagine an AI that can glean more insights from a quick glance at a graphic than most humans could after careful study. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. Great, another AI that's going to take our jobs. But here's the thing. Claude 3.5 Sonnet isn't just a replacement for human workers. It's a tool that has the potential to amplify human creativity and productivity in ways we're only beginning to imagine. Anthropic has introduced a new feature called Artifacts, which turns conversations with Claude into dynamic workspaces. You can see, edit, and build upon AI-generated content in real time. It's like having a brilliant assistant who's always ready to collaborate, brainstorm, and help bring your ideas to life. Let's consider a few scenarios where this could be game-changing. Number 1. Software development. Imagine working on a complex coding project. Claude 3.5 Sonnet could suggest optimizations, help debug tricky issues, and even generate entire modules based on your high-level descriptions. Number 2. Content creation. Writers could use Claude to generate outlines, suggest plot twists, or even co-write sections of a story. Number 3. Data analysis. Business analysts could have Claude interpret complex datasets, generate visualizations, and even draft reports summarizing key findings. Number 4. Education. Teachers could use Claude to create personalized lesson plans, generate quizzes, and provide one-on-one tutoring to students struggling with specific concepts. But with great power comes great responsibility, right? Anthropic seems to be taking this seriously. They've put Claude 3.5 Sonnet through rigorous safety testing, even bringing in external experts and government agencies to evaluate the model's potential risks and misuse. Anthropic has engaged with organizations like the UK's Artificial Intelligence Safety Institute and the US AI Safety Institute to conduct pre-deployment safety evaluations. They've also consulted with child safety experts to update their classifiers and fine-tune their models to prevent potential abuse. They're also doubling down on privacy. Unlike some other AI companies, Anthropic isn't training their models on user data unless explicitly given permission. It's a refreshing approach in an age where our personal information often feels up for grabs. But Anthropic isn't resting on its laurels. They've hinted at some exciting developments on the horizon. Number 1. Completing the Claude 3.5 family. We can expect to see Claude 3.5, Haiku, and Claude 3.5 Opus later this year. Number 2. New modalities and features. Anthropic is working on integrations with enterprise applications and exploring features like memory, which would allow Claude to remember user preferences and interaction history. Number 3. Continued improvement. Anthropic aims to substantially improve the trade-off between intelligence, speed, and cost every few months. So what does all this mean for the future of software development, content creation, and AI-assisted work in general? Well, it's clear that we're entering a new era where the line between human and AI capabilities is becoming increasingly blurred. Claude 3.5 Sonnet isn't just an incremental improvement. It's a leap forward that's forcing us to rethink what's possible with AI. It's not about replacing human creativity and problem-solving skills, but rather augmenting them in ways we're only beginning to explore. For software developers, this could mean spending less time on routine coding tasks and more time on high-level system design and innovation. For content creators, it could open up new realms of creative possibilities, with AI serving as a collaborative partner rather than a replacement. In the business world, Claude 3.5 Sonnet could democratize access to high-level analytics and insights, allowing companies of all sizes to make data-driven decisions that were once the province of large corporations with extensive resources. What do you think about this new AI powerhouse? Are you excited to try it out or worried about its potential impact? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more cutting-edge AI news and analysis. Until next time, keep innovating, stay curious, and remember, the future is what we make it, humans and AIs together. See you in the next video.